Hello, did you apply for a US visa? You were hopeful, but then the result came and your visa was refused. Today, I will explain exactly what you can do if your US visa was refused because of insufficient financial proof. My name is John, an immigration advisor for law and visas. In this video, I will explain what you can do if your US visa was refused due to insufficient funds, and how you can help reapply successfully. Let's break it down. When the US Embassy says you were refused due to insufficient funds, it usually falls under Section 213B of the Immigration and Nationality Act. This means the visa officer was not convinced that you had enough financial ties or that your financial situation would support your stay in the US. In other words, they're not confident that you can afford the trip or that you'll leave the US after your visit. But what they don't tell you is this: you can apply again, you can improve your financial evidence, and most importantly, you can succeed with the right legal support. Here are common reasons people get refused for insufficient funds: submitting bank statements without proof of income source, using sudden deposits to inflate the balance, submitting sponsor letters without strong ties to the sponsor, failing to show real-life expenses or proof of employment in Nigeria, and not explaining how your trip will be funded. The consular officers want to see consistency and credibility in your finances, not just figures. If your visa was refused because of a lack of proof of funds, here's what you need to do. First, request your refusal details. If your case allows, get your visa officer's notes to know what exactly they doubted. Fix the root cause. Did you submit weak bank statements? Was there no proof of salary or business income? Did you rely on a sponsor without legal backing? Rebuild your financial documentation with legitimate bank records, income proof, employment letters, property ties, or sponsor documents with proof of relationship and income. Explain your new position clearly. This is often done through a new cover letter, affidavit, or support letter, depending on your case. Here's how we help clients who've been refused. First, do a refusal review. We start by analyzing the actual refusal reason. Sometimes it's more than just money. It could be that your travel history, employment details, or interview responses raised red flags. Second, do a proper financial structuring. We guide you on the right way to present your finances. That means verified, consistent bank records, properly documented income, sponsor affidavits and IRS documentation if applicable, and strong evidence of your financial stability back home. Lastly, reapplication strategy. We build a new, stronger application backed by legal submissions that explain what went wrong and what's now corrected. This shows seriousness and transparency. Remember, immigration officers are trained to assess risk. Our job is to make you look like a low-risk, qualified applicant with proper documentation and a convincing case. We've helped many Nigerians who were initially refused get approved on their second attempt with the right strategy. Let us help you prepare a credible, complete, and convincing application that addresses the issue of funding. Let a legal team like ours step in, identify the problem, and build the right solution for you. Send us a DM today to start. Follow us for more immigration advice.